I got Burgerville basket, really good, man. And the Burgerville basket. What is the deal, guys? You know what we got over here? We got my boy over here, Caleb, smacking down some seating. And what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be putting, oh, he's waving hi to the camera. But what we're gonna be doing today is finally accomplishing a project that we've been doing for a long time. It's been due for a long time. We're gonna be finally working on this wall, putting this wall on. What's up, Caleb, man? How long have you been doing this for?
Shit, off and on for 15, 20 years.
That's it? 15, 20 years, man? That's it? What are you doing today, man?
We're building a wall, a partition wall for some reason. They wanted something, so yeah. But this chain link wasn't working out, I guess, for Dave. So
Mr. Legit, boy, you know what the deal is, then?
Exactly, that is the deal.
So you guys know we've been working a long time for this. So really, we're walking on this wall. This wall is going to go up. So he moved out of all that, all those cords and everything that we had working over here for so long. He said, hey, I need all that stuff moved down. They basically put everything up here on the racks, which makes sense. These guys have been absolutely kicking ass. Caleb is absolutely just, this dude, I've done it for a long time, and this dude is a beast, man. Dude is a beast. You know what's funny is I remember being on a job. We were in Oak Harbor, Washington, and we were on a new construction house, and we were building homes for the Navy. We had about, I don't know, it was hundreds of homes that we were working on, and when we came out there to roof the house, the framers left the nails a little bit high, right? I was so upset, and we had to take out our hammer and smash them down. We went next door to tell the framers, we're like, hey dude, your house, you guys left high nails. So if you guys ever did new construction, you guys don't know what I'm talking about. If you guys are rolling out paper, you can feel a little bump, right? So what we did is, I went over next door and told these guys, I was like, hey man, you guys have a lot of high staples over here, right? You know what they told me? Oh, his gun was broken. And I said, you know what? Is his hammer broken? If his hammer's broken, then I totally get it. But, you know, we're out here smacking down. We've been here for like an hour, and these guys have been absolutely just ripping it. Man, hey, just as they frame is how we roof. You know what I mean? I don't even want to begin to do it. These guys frame just like no other. So take my hat out to these guys. Bam. While he's up here building this, guys, he doesn't even know what he's really about to get. So he told me 700. Let's go in the office real quick, guys. So he told me 750 bucks to do it. So what we're really gonna do, now that we've been out there showing you guys exactly how we do it, what we do have, I want to do a little something funny. I had Burgerville today. You guys know what Burgerville is? But what we got today is, check this out. We got some money for him, right? We're gonna be paying him in ones. Yes, we are paying him in ones. We'll see, we're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna be wrapping it up a little bit, and we're gonna go feed it to him. So when the job's done, we're gonna be giving him this. It's like the best in Portland, dude. Literally, we're talking the best framer in Portland. Look at this little slick trick. Woo-hoo-hoo! What was that? What was that slick trick, bro? Look at them worm sperm.
It should fit around that door. Watch.
Look at this. He's just around the door, man. Look at this dude. Alrighty, guys. We got Caleb over here just smacking down the door, framing it in, putting the sheeting on it. Then, yeah, we are about to put the wall up. Look at this dude. Absolutely phenomenal, man. Helps me out in a massive way, man. There's no way I could have done this in an hour. All right, let's see if it fits, guys. All right, so what we're gonna do, how you guys gonna pick this thing up? I know you don't want me to help out. Look at these dirty, look at this dude. He is just ripping it. Look at this, I'm gonna wring it out. Man, that's just straight up. But
you pour water on yourself?
I got Burgerville basket, really good, man. In the Burgerville basket, we got a little bit of money, $700 bucks. I don't know what it is, but they're gonna have to count it up themselves. I don't know what it is, but oh shoot, damn, dude. I don't know. My man, here you go, bro.
You wouldn't want your customer to do that to you.
I would laugh my ass off and I would start counting it right in front of them,
yeah.
chilling. I would take pennies.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Out of here, dude.
Let's go ahead and walk down a little bit more. So you had a problem over here, right? When I came over here last time, you did have to make a little cut.
Yeah, because this existing post. So to stand the wall this way from laying down, this post was a permanent fixture. So we had to actually notch our wall for it to slide over the post. And then there's a little hump in the floor here. So it actually picked up our wall, which made it bind on top, but we overcame and moved along. And it's a done deal.
Great squad, a great family of people in Portland, even though in the smoke, and they did kick up a little bit today, didn't it?
Yeah.
Didn't it kick up a little bit? You guys are here coughing or whatever. Hey, so what do you say, man?
I'm happy with it, and I hope you're happy with it. I know you're gonna be happy with it. So.
I'm absolutely happy with it. Hey, thanks a lot for watching, guys. I really appreciate everything. Peace. Dude, there's more than what I paid them.
Not just one.
There's more than what I paid them in here, dude.
Just one.
I know. That's the beauty in it, dude.